Hey, this is Rick and welcome back to another aquarium tip. I recently got a male Flowerhorn. He's over there. I've separated my 55-gallon tank and I'm having problems with my female. That's her right there. She's a large SRD Flowerhorn, which is Super Red Dragon Flowerhorn. And he's also an SRD, but he's small and they're not ready to breed yet. Well, she's been living in this 55-gallon tank for about a year now and she's been fine. And she'll eat all kinds of food. She really wouldn't turn down anything. But all of a sudden, since he's come into the picture, it's been about a week now, and she does not want to eat her pelleted food. So I started getting worried. I mean, she's been slamming into the divider. See that divider right there? If you didn't see the video on me making that divider, I'll put a link right up here at the top and you can link to that. But that divider's holding up. I mean, she's been slamming right into it. But the problem is, like I said, she's not eating. I've tried everything. I've got CZ food. I've got really good food. I've got Hikari. And she just does not want to eat. So I looked to make sure she wasn't dropping any eggs, because when they drop eggs, they will stop eating altogether. And then they get nasty. Well, she's gotten nasty too. When you come near the tank, she'll want to slam into it. But I think she's just beside herself because she's lost part of her tank, number one, and number two, there's another fish over there, and with that black screen material she can see a silhouette, but she can't quite make them out completely. So what I've got is I raise mealworms. If you've seen one of my other videos, I raise mealworms and also red wiggler worms for composting. So we're going to try one of these for her and see if now maybe her appetite is improved. Bear with me, I don't have my camera on a tripod right now like I usually do. But here we go. We got one of the worms right there. And I'm going to go ahead and drop it right in the tank. And we'll see if that gets her curiosity. Boom. There we go. So we're going to try to get her back eating those again, see if we can settle her down, and then hopefully she'll start taking the pellet again. Might as well give this guy one too. Okay, it is. So that's it. That's my tip. If you're having a problem with your Flowerhorn and they don't want to eat, try to go with a little bit of live and see if that'll get them to eat there. So once again, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends. The subscribe button will be down there in the right-hand corner of the video. Take care.